Welcome back to another Storm Games review. This is new monitors. My main monitor is kind of crapping out on me. So been on the lookout for another one, and I found two of these on sale at Target for pretty cheap. It was marked down to about half. And they retail for
around 150.
150 or so. So we got them for just under 75 bucks.
About 75.
About $75. So they're 23-inch Gateway computers. They're LED. This is the Gateway KX2303 23-inch computer monitor. Max resolution is 1920 by 1080. Not incredibly high, but I don't particularly need it to be so high. So, I mean, that's probably the highest I'd ever set it for anyway, except for maybe in a game. But
that's rare.
That's rare, yeah. I think it said on Newegg that these were 6 millisecond response time, something like that.
I think that's what we read.
So let's open up, see what's inside. It's an IPS LED monitor. So
we rarely ever go to the store and find something and kind of buy it on the spot, but we tried to look up some information on it because we needed a new monitor.
It does have one VGA and one DVI. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a display port, which is ideal these days with all the video cards using display ports.
The
display port is the new type of connection that video cards are using.
It has a thing on the back to mount it.
Yeah. So here it is, all put together. Again, power cord VGA cables came with it. It does have a spot on the back for wall mounting it if you need to, if you get a wall mount.
Yeah. And it has the nice screen where it's non-reflective.
Yeah, I think it said that on the box.
Yeah. It did.
I've read the reviews on like Newegg on this, and a lot of people say that it's got pretty good brightness. So, nice, wide, tall picture there. It's 23 inches corner to corner. Let's see if I can find anything else on it.
How far does it
right here.
tilt? About that? Oh, yeah. I see. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, 6 millisecond response time. RGB analog interface. So it's nothing like top of the line, obviously. Only going to 1920 by 1080 resolution. Obviously, it's not, a higher end monitor, but it's definitely going to make an improvement on what I'm using now, being the fact that it's kind of slowly going out. And actually, even my second monitor is even worse. It's got dark spots in it and burn spots in it because it's, I think I bought that one in, I want to say 2003 or 4.
Yeah.
So it was a while ago. But there you go, guys. The Gateway KX2303 23-inch LED monitor.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. So thanks for watching, and I'll have pictures of all angles of the monitor for you right now.